here again. Welcome to the third lesson of Figma tutorial for beginners. Here we will learn how to make buttons, how to make variant, how to change with components, prototype, and m3.material.io. What is it and what are we going to do? We're going to learn in this video. But I would like to say that as you remember from our previous video, we made an app design actually for auto layout, which was the, I think, pizza order app, but I don't remember how we did it. That's why I did another thing. But we're gonna make some buttons for this. We're gonna learn how to make a little bit of prototyping, and we're gonna learn how to change it by the same components. And here we go to our Figma canvas. As you can see, we have this frame here, iPhone 14 and 15 Pro Max, but it doesn't matter, you can choose whatever you want. Here I also made this auto layout that we did in the previous video. I think it was that or not, I don't remember. You can do whatever you want. You can add some hearts and add some other things on it. And today we are going to do some buttons. These buttons are going to be a little bit easy kind of buttons. I am choosing the F key on my keyboard. You can make it rectangle for R, but it doesn't matter. Here I'm making a little bit of a rectangle shape. I'm filling it out with some color, which is this color. I'm making a round corner with this one. And here we go. Also, I can have my text on it, which is going to be, for example, save. Oops, it's too big. That's why I'm going to make it a little bit, yeah, I think it's good. I don't care about how big or bold it is. Oh, you can make this bold like this, or you can click on the Control and B to make it bold. It's also really handy when you do it. Also, I'm going to add some of my, let's say, shapes. Not shapes, it's icons. Let's say this one. I'm adding it, place it all, but you can see it's too much. And I'm putting my scale. It's also too much. I'm making it 50. Oh, that's too much. No, not you. Not you. This one had to be like this. Oops. I'm gonna make you a little bit bigger. And I'm gonna add my heart. Heart is a little bit big, I guess, again. And make it like this. You know what to do. I am going to make the save and heart the auto layout. If you remember, the shortcut for this was Shift A. We did this and we're making that, and as you zoom it in, you can see there's a button here like this, and that's our button for heart. But we're gonna what are we going to do? Yes, we're gonna make a variant. What is variant? We're gonna make the variant for making it a little bit movie. Let's go here, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. Oops, where is it? Yeah. As you can see, here it is not a component. For making it a component, we can make Ctrl-Alt-K, and here we go. It's a component. And then we can make it a variant. See? Oh, what happened? Oh, we did a mistake. Tell me what it is. Yes, not all of them is an auto layout. We make auto layout all of them. We make them all of them component, and then we're adding the variant to this. And then here we go. You can see. Here we are changing the color for this. The color can be this one. And we can change this thing. It's saved. And then we have this one here. We can add it here. But we have to change the size, How are we going to do it? We're gonna put it here, prototyping. We're gonna choose this, and then on tab, change bouncy. Okay, let's see how is it going to work in our phone. Not phone, frame. Let's see. It doesn't matter if you want to find it. Alt here, and here we go. Let's see. It's really good, but oops, we have to also change it to the other side, and then bouncy, as you can see. Rounding the corner, making the color, writing some text. Let's say this one, add it here, adding some kind of icons here. Let's say it place all, but it's too big. Okay, and make it like this. It's too big. And we're adding it here. Choose them all. Layout, Control Alt K, and making a variant and changing the color for this. Let's change the color. The color can be this, and we can delete it. We have this feature, and we are adding this here. We can see if it's working. Not working because we didn't do anything with the prototyping. Prototyping is like this. You're adding this to this and that to this, but not bouncy. I wanted to make it ease in and out, ease in and out. Let's see if it's gonna work. See? Super good. To make the prototyping between the other app frames, let's duplicate it, Control D, and then go to the prototype. We can go to prototype like this also, Shift E, and as you can see, there are some dots here. We are clicking on it, and then here, this. Let's see what can we do. See, it's changing, but let's put it here. I can see that it really changes. See, it's like this. What is the other thing that we were going to talk? It was M3 Material IO. What is it? It is just a website for us that is designed for the, how to make the designs or the apps and the websites into your own ideas, and then how is it accessible for working. For example, for the colors, there's a color system which is each element on the screen has a number, each number is assigned a color, and you can go on to this website and learn a lot of things. Let's say we have foundations, we have accessibility, we have layout, and we have some components, cards. Let's see, buttons, all buttons. About all buttons, we have buttons let people take action and make choices with one tap. And as you can see, it's enabled, 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 and you can choose which one you want. And here you can save it, you can edit it, you can select it, and these kinds of, and field one, field tool button, and also other ones, choosing buttons. I'm gonna drop the link down below and you can get it accessed easily. And I hope you learned something from this tutorial. I know it's short, but I don't want to make you feel overwhelmed with the videos and the lessons, because I also learned little by little. That's why you have to take care of your learning and also your system. Learn one by one and don't make confusions as I did today. And hope to see you next time. See you. Bye.